Good morning children. I think you all are safe at your home. In the previous class, we have learned about our food, components in the food and balanced diet. Children, I think you all are familiar with different tastes of food. The taste of food changes from raw materials to cooked food and even from raw fruits to ripened fruit. Now, let us complete the following table. About taste. Sweet, sour, bitter, salted and spicy. Now tell me, what are sweet in taste? Sugar, jaggery. Sour, lemon, tomato. Bitter taste, bitter gourd and neem. Salty, sea water. Then dry fish. Spicy, chilies are spicy and cloves. Okay, some more are there. You fill the remaining as your homework. So, the taste of material changes if we add other materials to it. We take a lot of care while preparing and storing food. Now, we are going to learn the reasons behind it by elevating the nature of substances as acids and bases. So, today we are going to learn about acids and bases. The second lesson in our textbook. Okay, now let us do a small activity. Take a paper and rub a turmeric paste over the paper. I prepared this turmeric paper and I will draw a flower with a earbud which is dipped in soap water. So, what is the color of the flower? Is it yellow in color or there is a change in the color? Is it remain same? No. The flower color is changed to red. So, I will draw another flower with lime water. Is it yellow or changed the color? The flower which I draw with lime water is also red in color. So, there are some substances that changed the color of turmeric into red color. We observed a color change in the turmeric when we drawn a flower with lime and soap water. This activity tells us that some substances changes their color when other substances are added. So, the substances which indicate change in color when other substances are added are known as indicators. Here, in this activity, turmeric is an indicator. You perform the same activity using the indicators and substances given in table 2. Like turmeric, we have some more indicators with us, blue litmus and red litmus. Okay, now test the blue litmus with the following things: soap water, lime water, milk, salt water, lemon and tomato. Okay, now test all of the things with red litmus. I am dipping red litmus in soap water. This red litmus turned to blue. Now I am dipping the red litmus in lime water. It turned to blue. Dipping the red litmus in milk. Is there any change? No, there is no change. Now I will dip the red litmus in salt water. Here also there is no change. Now on tomato, no change. Now on pizza, here also there is no change. Now I will test all the 6 with blue litmus. It remains same with It also remained blue in color with lime water. It remained same with milk. Remained same with salt water. It turned to red color with tomato. The blue litmus changed its color when treated with lemon. So, with this I will conclude that some substances changed red litmus to blue. What are they? Soap water, lime water changed red litmus to blue. Tomato and lemon changed blue litmus to red. After dusting them with litmus papers, I found that the red litmus turned to blue with lime water, soap water. Okay, then the blue litmus turned red with lemon and tomato. Why do the strips of litmus papers changed their color? The litmus papers changed their color based on the nature of the substances put on them. It acts as an indicator and tells us whether the given substance is acidic or basic, which helps in learning the properties of substances.